International phonetic symbols. There are 44 sounds in English, 20 vowels. They are divided into monophthongs and diphthongs, and 24 consonants. Consonant sounds are divided into voiced and unvoiced. Let's practice. E, sheep, ship, good, shoot, ear, here, wait, bed, teacher, air, bird, door, tourist, boy, show, cat, up, far, on, air, hair, I, my, ow, cow, pear, boat, tea, dog, cheese, John, car, go, fly, video, think, these, see, zoo, shall, television, man, now, sing, hat, love, red, wet, yes. Thank you for watching this video.